Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer from the Elyria Public Library, here to share with you a fun winter STEAM challenge. Now, raise your hand if you were outside playing in that epic snowstorm. I was, for sure. I built a snowman, I had a snowball fight, I went sledding, I shoveled so much snow that I think I'm done shoveling for the entire winter. But then I came in and I had a nice hot cup of hot cocoa, my favorite part of winter. But I was sitting there thinking about, why does hot cocoa mix dissolve in hot water? We have Nestle's mix that dissolves in cold milk. Could hot cocoa mix, could that dissolve in cold water too? And how hot does your hot cocoa have to be for the mix to dissolve? So many questions. So today I have a cup of cold water and a cup of warm water, and I'm going to dissolve a hot cocoa packet into each one and see how they dissolve. Ready? Let's go. So now I'm going to start with the cold, because I know how it acts in the other one. I'm going to mix that up. Already it sits on top. It doesn't quite go down. Is it mixing? What do you think? Maybe my water is too cold. Now, I did pull this from the fridge, so it's nice and cold, but it looks like it's clumping. All right, well, let's try the other one. The other one is warm water, so let's do that one. Now, I know this has to dissolve because it's warm water, and my hot cocoa is always warm. Whoa, look at that. Right away, it dissolved. Well, this one's cold, and it doesn't dissolve. You can see, I mean, it's chocolatey, but right on top, it's clumpy. It's not even dissolved. So, I want to challenge you at home. How warm does your hot cocoa have to be for it to dissolve? Now, I have cold water. We know right from the fridge, cold water, it doesn't dissolve as much, but what if your water was a little bit warmer? What if it was sitting out for the day, where it has that nice tepid feel to it? What if it is just a little warm? Would it have the same effect? I don't know. I'm going to need your help. So I want you at home to use some of your hot cocoa mix. Now, I like to use Nestle's. I also like to use the Swiss Miss. So anyone can work. Test it out. Maybe you could even use milk. Whatever you want to try. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Good luck.